Hello. In the previous video, you looked at nanotechnology around the world. In this video, we are going to talk about the practical ways that new technology like this could help to stop climate change. We'll look at practical applications of nanotechnology for energy efficiency and environmental protection. This means how we can use nanotechnology in our everyday lives. As you know, nanotechnology is the science of working with atoms and molecules at the nanoscale to build devices that are extremely small. At the nanoscale, the properties of a material change, such as its strength, shape, conductivity, or many other things. Let's start by looking at how that can help in energy efficiency. One example of this is about vehicle engines. Many parts in vehicle engines rub against each other when the vehicle is moving. Nanotechnology can reduce or lessen the amount of fossil fuels that these vehicles use by decreasing friction, the resistance between two objects, in the engines, when nanoparticles are added to the oil. Electrical wires containing carbon nanotubes could be used in the electrical grid. They will have less resistance, meaning more power will be transferred to users. Another use of carbon nanotubes could be in the blades of wind turbines in wind farms. The blades could be made both lighter and stronger, increasing the amount of electricity generated. Nanoscale materials are already available to consumers. At the moment, these nanomaterials can make a shirt either water-resistant or wrinkle-free. In the future, perhaps these materials could make a shirt able to get energy from the sun or even create energy through movement. Imagine being able to create usable energy just by moving around in your daily life. As we have seen in other videos, reducing the amount of energy we use is an important part of fighting climate change. Nanotechnology can create efficient, rechargeable batteries so that cars and other vehicles do not need to use so much fuel. It could also make lighter, stronger aircrafts that also use much less fuel. Cleaning up environmental problems is another area where nanotechnology could be applied practically. You may remember we talked about one of the human costs of coastal flooding. Drinking water will be contaminated by salty seawater. Nanoparticles could be put into the water to clean and desalinate, take the salt out so that people can drink it. You might also remember that one of the problems of placing garbage in landfill is that contamination of groundwater, such as rivers and lakes. Nanoparticles can also create chemical reactions that clean the chemicals out of this water and make it safe for people. Back in Unit 3, we talked about the problems caused by excessive heat and that air pollution gets worse in hot weather. Nanotechnology can be used in sensors to monitor air quality and make sure it is not dangerous for people. Oil spills, when a ship or pipeline leaks oil into the sea, are terrible for the environment, killing wildlife and polluting the water. Towels made from nanofabrics can be used to clean up these spills. The towels can clean up to 20 times their own weight in oil. Of course, many of these technologies are still in development. They may need many years of research before they are ready to use. Ordinary people will still need to play an important role in stopping climate change. So, in this video, we looked at some of the practical ways in which nanotechnology could be used to help stop the problems caused by climate change in terms of both energy efficiency and environmental protection. Use the information that you have learned in this video to help you take the quiz that follows.